Our apartment has curtains and electric blinds. Please watch this before using the electric blinds. Check that nothing is blocking them before putting them down. Are there any chairs, cushions, flower pots, furniture in the way? Please move everything out of the way before lowering the blinds. If something's blocking them and they break, they will stay down until we can get a repairman in to fix them. This arrow is for pushing them up or down. So let's push and hold, and the blinds will go up automatically. If you push and hold, they'll go all the way up. Before putting them down, this is very important. Check around and make sure that nothing is going to block their passage. Remove any cushions, flower pots, chairs in the way. You have to make sure that the blinds will go all the way down because they don't have a resistance sensor, and if something's blocking them, they can break. If they break, we won't be able to pull them back up again. So let's go down. We've checked. Now that we've checked, nothing is blocking them, nothing's in the way. You can push the down button and have the blinds go down. Let's go outside. You can see nothing is blocking their passage. All looks good. And they're done.